Okay guys, this is Storm Aftermath, Twin Fish, and pretty much we're just watching the lightning.
Yeah, it looks like you can see it mostly over here.
I can't exactly see Savannah right now. Hold on.
Girlfriend!
Shut up.
That's his girlfriend!
Shut up.
Just if you didn't know.
Shut up.
No.
That looks cool.
I mean, you can see
You'll
the...
see a strike of lightning up there.
Yeah, eventually you will.
That is cool.
If you look close enough, you can see a ton of lightning.
Let me see.
Here you are. I'm gonna give the thing to Savannah.
If you could see right there, you could see
Rocket!
the lightning right
Yeah.
there in that area. There's this light that's in the way, so it's kind of hard for all of you to see it. But you could just see that was amazing. If you want, you could pause the video to see that. It was so cool. And it's not raining no more. You could hear the thunder over there, but you could see it over here. We'll zoom out
Hey guys, I'm back.
and say hey. There was a really cool one.
I know. We can get it on video. I'll watch the video afterwards.
And
Your
here
thumb.
you go.
It's because your thumb's there. Because you can zoom in and out now.
Yeah, I know. So I think I'm gonna go.
Ooh. Okay. Well, you wanna end the video?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you all so much for watching.
Yeah. I gotta go. So thanks for watching this short video. Short thing. Have a nice day, and this is Twin Fish.
Bye bye.